going to talk about that, but we eaten Lyman. You like callaloo?
Yes, we do. Love callaloo. I do.
She makes everything home. This is also my personal manager, my personal chef, my personal cook, my personal,
I'm just personal.
Let me tell people what we do. I'm making a creamy callaloo dip.
Yeah.
So this is like a nice little dip to have watching a movie night, game night, that kind of vibe. And I'm localizing because I'm using all local callaloo.
Okay, nice.
So it's a kind of callaloo vibes with some creaminess, thanks to Hellmann's real mayonnaise. I started with some onions, pepper, added a little pepper sauce because you all know my little kick.
We love
we love
right?
right?
Whatever your favorite pepper sauce is, you add it in here. And now I just adding some green seasoning. So that's all happening in here. Green seasoning. So kind of basically I'm going to add the callaloo and just allow the callaloo, like the dashi bush bhaji kind of vibe.
Just simmer a little bit,
Like just simmer. So you see all this added in here will boil down like bhaji, as we say in local parlance here. Kind of toss it in there.
It's already smelling so good.
So I want to season layers. So everything I've done here, I just want to put some salt and pepper. And you see how we kind of boil it down, as they say, like bhaji. Kind of coming together nicely. Just give it about a minute or two, and then we're going to start pulling together the base for this cream sauce.
So this is the perfect dip for when you're watching Soca Love Story.
Soca Love Story, is it on YouTube?
Yes, it is. So I think
when you pull up on YouTube Soca Love Story, the entire concert, if you guys were not there live experiencing the concert, it's important. You bring a uniqueness and a freshness that I have been following for 30 years.
I appreciate that.
And you bring a uniqueness and a freshness that is just fresh, it's just new. Your style. Who conducts your style?
I mean, I am very risky.
It's my personal
nobody
style.
agrees. Nobody agrees with my style, to be quite honest, on the team. So I work with We Are Fluorescent Black, which is a designer and stylist from Tobago, and he likes working with me because I allow him to do whatever he feels like, to experiment literally.
It's unique.
It's
different, as I said. I mean, sometimes brave and bold as well.
That's just
but that's your personality as well.
Yeah, it is. It is my
because
personality.
I watch some of the things that I said, if I put that on, people will laugh at me. But you walk on the stage with it.
I mean, it's art, so I just like to express myself with fashion, just like I do with the music. So
guys, I have cream cheese in here, and I just added some Parmesan cheese. So cream cheese and Parmesan cheese, and I just kind of want to start to get that mixed in here, combined. So remember, think callaloo.
Yeah.
And when you think callaloo, one of the things you think about is coconut milk callaloo.
Yes.
Okay.
You could actually add a little touch of coconut milk in there if you wanted, but I have the coconut powder just because I wanted it to mix in here with the Parmesan cheese and the creamy dressing. So you're gonna get that coconut powder straight in there.
Right.
So I just want to combine everything here. I just want to localize it, a little shadow benning, fresh shadow benning we'll put in there. And mix everything in together there. And the final but most important ingredient for that extra little creaminess
Hellmann
is Hellmann's real mayonnaise. I want about 2 nice heaping tablespoons there of Hellmann's real mayonnaise. And I want to just mix that in, get that creaminess. So you see how it take up the creamy level to another notch there.
Really nice consistency.
So this is cheat night. This is spoil night. This is enjoy, cock back, relax.
Cozy,
romantic vibes. Straight into that now, I am adding my callaloo, sauteed down all nicely, seasoned up perfectly, and I just fold it in.
Love it.
So the callaloo, the coconut vibes in there as well, the creamy mayonnaise from Hellmann's. You mix, and everything you smelling that, guys?
Yes, smells wonderful.
I just waiting to eat it.
It's mouth watering.
One of the things I love to do is little one bowl and one pot thing.
Yes.
And it's so simple. So all this is ready now. It goes in a green dish. You put it in a big dish or a nice small dish that you can share, that kind of thing. Is that kind of, and you just kind of throw in a grease dish.
Love it.
And just about 3/4 up, because when it goes in the oven, which it's going in the oven now, at about 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, it will bubble up nicely. And when it comes out, it will be all hot and ready to serve with some chips of your choice, nice bread, anything that you want to serve with. In the oven for just about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, 20 minutes and we're ready. I just want to get it out of the oven. So you see how it's hot and bubbly there? Serve with any sort of chips, your favorite chips, some little baguettes. You can even do vegetables. If you have vegetables, you chop those vegetables up in strips and you dip in here. It is just amazing. I've done all sorts of variations, but I'm a CALLALOO man. I love CALLALOO.
It's delicious.
So Colleen, what you can actually do is like use a spoon, dip out plate. You can dip directly in, but you know, I don't want fighting, you know, you're dipping, so I don't want to fight.
Well, since he seemed a little hungrier than I am, I'll serve him first.
And he had French toast, you know.
Yeah. He's small, but you know.
So.
You see how nice and creamy. Oh.
No, I'm confused. I don't know if to have the chips or if to have. I'll have both.
You can have both, Jesse. You can have both.
You can go ahead and grab your chips.
One chip, sir? Nice. You okay now? You good?
I help myself. You don't worry about me. I'm good.
Sorry, I ain't returning.
Couldn't I'm thinking that you're accustomed to this.
Yeah.
You look like you're very much. How long you guys married?
5 years.
This year, 6 years.
This year, 6 years.
Yeah. It's so long, you know.
Do you remember the first time you came on Cup of Joe? It probably was about 6 or 7 years ago. That was probably just before you got married.
Yes.
Was Curly the young lady you came with?
Yeah.
Enjoying?
I love it.
Want to thank the folks at Hellmann for making it possible. This is a one that you should try. Check out cupofjoecaribbean.com. It's my creamy CALLALOO dip, and you can have it with an assortment of chips, bread, vegetables, whatever you're liking. We're coming back. We have College Boy Jesse, the 2020 Groovy Soca Monarch is in the house, and his wife, Curly Stewart. The love story continues on Cup of Joe.